Hi guys, my name is Gavin, and today I'll be showing you how to make a simple health upgrade system with Python and the Blender game engine. I won't be doing exactly, I'll just be doing pretty much lines of code with simple clicks to prompt it, but yeah, it'll work. So I'll just get started. So to start off, what we're going to do is right click on this camera and hit X delete, and then right click on this light and hit X delete. I'm then going to go from default to game logic, go from Blender render to Blender game. I'm going to right click on our cube in the middle, and we're going to add two game properties. This first one's going to be an integer, and the second one's going to be a boolean. For the integer one, let's put health as the name of the property. Let's set the value to 100. For the second one, let's put health upgrade as the name. Let's keep it unclicked for now. Let's click both of these eyes right here. And so if I do game and then show debug properties, and we hit play, we should see health is equal to 100 and health upgrade equals false. Alright, this is good. Next, what we're going to do is do an add sensor always. Click these first three dots and do add sensor. And let's do mouse. For this mouse, let's put click as the name. Keep it at left button. And let's add a keyboard sensor now. And this keyboard sensor will be space. Let's put spacebar as the key, and let's put tap. Alright, so let's now do add controller in Python right here and connect these. Alright, that works out good. Let's now do templates Python, game logic simple. Drag these out. And let's delete the portion that I've highlighted. I'm now going to hit Control and scroll up on my mouse to make my text larger. I'm going to rename this as scripts.py, and I'm going to add that right here. Alright, so this looks good. So let's now get these two sensors defined within our script. By doing click is going to equal content sensors click, like that. And do space is going to equal content sensors space. Alright, that works out well. So what we're going to do now is when we press the space bar, what we want it to have it do is heal. But we want to have it take away damage when we click. Let's have if click.positive, and if, actually I'll do this up here, and own health, is greater than 10. What we're going to do, greater than or equal to 10. Sorry about that. We're going to have own health, going to minus equal 10. So if we hit play now, we should see that health is going to go down by 10 every time we click. That's going to work. Alright, that'll work. What we want to have it do, though, is have if click.positive, or if the spacebar.positive. So if space.positive, what we want it to have it do is check if the health upgrade is true or false. Let's have if own health upgrade is equal to true. What we're going to have it do is have own health is going to equal 125 or 150. And if it's not, what we want it to have it do is have own health going to equal 100. Alright, so if we play now, we should see that whenever we hit the spacebar, it's going to go back to 100. Now, if we checkbox our Boolean operator really quick, we'll see that if we hit spacebar, it's going to go to 150 because that's now true. But we don't have anything to tell it to switch once it happens. What we're going to do now is I'm going to add another mouse sensor, and I'll just name this as right. I'll click tap, and I'll change it to right button, like this. I'm going to connect this right here. And within our script, I'm going to define it as right is going to equal content sensors right, like that. So let's have if right.positive. If right.positive, what we're going to do is have own health upgrade going to equal to true. So I'm going to leave this first, but if I click a couple times, I'll hit spacebar, reset it to 100, and I'll right click, and then I'll hit space and it'll go to 150. Alright guys, that's all I have for now. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. But for the time being, thanks for watching and have a good day. I'm going to leave this script open just for one more second.